What's going on, folks? Zeke here with another banger of a video. Welcome back. Welcome to Zeke Workshop Lab in the Light. This is different, but this is actually what it looks like in the daytime. And by the time I'm done shooting this introduction video, my striped strawberry peanut butter toast and horchata coffee is going to be cold. So let's go ahead and move on. It's okay. I do it for you guys. Back in November 2025, I completed my mini rack server, which consists of 3 Raspberry Pi 5s, one with the LCD screen, and a USW Ultra switch. The reason why I didn't post this project is because while building it...
Alright, so quick update alert. I actually had to go to the emergency room. I ended up cutting myself. And the reason being...
Anyways, like I said, the Pi 5 mini server project was super fun. Really wish I could have put a build video together for you guys. Maybe I'll do it in the near future. And have a free mini rack server giveaway. Maybe you should subscribe, check it out, find out. Anyways, the reason why I'm bringing it to your guys' attention right now is I'm going to show you guys how to stand up your own home media network server. So that Pi 5 in the bottom right corner of my server, I'm going to show you guys how to pair it with Jellyfin step by step, and we're going to test it by streaming Hackers or Mr. Robot on my living room TV. Let's go. So first, what we're going to need to decide is the hardware that we're going to use and the OS that we're going to install. So for my setup for this server, I chose a 16 gig Pi 5, power supply, SSD heat cover, and SSD. I'm pretty sure I went with a Gen 3 SanDisk. But I also chose a pretty cool M.2 Pi hat. This one's really cool because it comes with a cooler, and it also has power over Ethernet, which is really awesome. So the next thing we want to do is grab a micro SD card, head over to PiImager so that we can download and install PiImager. By doing so, we'll be able to download the OS of our choosing onto the micro SD card, using that for the initial boot of our unit. Moving over to the imager, I'll select Pi 5. For my media server, I'm going to select the Ubuntu server. Just want to try it out. Select your SD card. Then we're going to type in my host name, Jelly, username, password, SSID, skipping that because I'm okay, enabling SSH, and write. Let that cook. So this next part's going to move pretty quick. I will narrate as best as I can. Just wanted to say good luck to all the contestants. Look forward to seeing you guys at the end of the race. Here we go. So first we're going to install Docker onto the Ubuntu server. Next, we're going to allow your user to run Docker without sudo using the next 3 commands. New group Docker. And then Docker PS. And now we're going to create our Jellyfin data folders. Next, we're going to create our media folders for the NVMe. Next, we're going to be downloading the Jellyfin image. Next, we are going to start the Jellyfin container. Next, we're going to get our IP address using hostname tag capital I. After that, we're going to open Jellyfin at http:// your IP address, port 8096. Alright, as you can see, we almost made it. Now we just need to create our file paths and then copy our content onto our folders. So after getting through the startup prompts, we're going to head back to our terminal. Alright, so to make this easier, I put everything into one command. We're going to be making a media folder for movies, TV shows, and then for our devices, we're going to have photos and videos. Alright, hang in there. I just want to show you guys how to copy your first file over using SCP. Oh, sorry, Kakashi.